Hello students, I am Dr. Komal Rathod, Assistant Professor, Department of Kamar Bhratya, Faculty of Ayurvedic Science in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Students, today's topic is Dantotpatti evam Dant Rakshan Vidhi. According to modern science, dentition and dental care. So first of all, what is Dant Sampat? Means characteristics of healthy teeth. So characteristics of healthy teeth is that according to Acharya Kashyap Samhita Sutrasthan Dant Janmika Adhyay, Acharya said Purnata, Samta, Ghanata, Shuklata, Snigdhata, Slakshanata, Nirmalta, Niramayata, Kinchit, Uttar, Unnat, Dantabaddhanam cha Samta, Rakta, Snigdhata, Vrahadnad, Sthir Mulata, Cheti, Danta Sampat Uchyate. Means in this shloka, first line said Purnata. So Purnata means complete teething. Samta means evenness and Ghanta means compactness. So Shuklita means whiteness and Snigdhata means lustruousness and Slakshanata is for softness. Then Nirmalta for cleanness and Niramayata is for disease-free condition. So Kinchit Uttarot Unnata means slightly elevations of teeth. So that's all from Ashtamasani. Means if the teeth eruption is on 8th month, so it's very important and characteristically healthy teeth. So Purnata, Samta, Ghanta, Shuklata, Snigdhata, Shlakshnata, Nirmalta, Niramayata, Kinchit, Uttar, Unnotata, Dantabaddha Naam cha Samta, Raktata, Snigdhata. And Vrahad Sthir Multa, Cheti, Dant Sampat Uchyat. In further, Dantabaddhanam. Dantabaddhanam means Samta, Raktata, Snigdhata. Vrahad Baddha, Sthir Mulata means Samta means evenness, Raktata means redness, and Snigdhata means lustruousness, and Vrahad Baddha, Sthir Mulata means compactness. So that's all are about Dant Sampat and Dant Bandhana Naam. Now next, Dant Nishek evam Dantotbhed means eruption of teeth. So teeth are two types, Sakrat Jat and Dvij. So Sakrat Jat teeth is number of 8. That's called Sakrat Jat teeth. And Dvij is our number in 24. So Dvij and Sakrat Jat Dant is 24. So here is according to Acharya Kashyap, Iha Khalu Nanam Dwa Trishad Dantra Tatra Ashtau Sakrat Jat Swarup Rudha Danta Bhavati Ata Shesha Dvija. Means Sakrat Jat is at 8 number and Dvij is 24 number. So they all are in Chaturvidham. Chaturvidham means that's eruption is four types. So Chaturvidham tu Danta Janmaschete Samudgam, Samvratam, Vivratam and Danta Sampat iti. In next, Yavat Savev cha Masanam Dantanam Nishantate Tavat Swaha Sa Abhi Dhrantate Yavat Swavev cha Maseshu Jatasya Sat Udbhidyante Tavat Sevatahai Varsheshu Patati Punar Udbhidyante. Means Kashyap Samhita Sutrasthan Dant Janmika Adhyay in what is that every month the teeth are inseminated. In what? So every month the teeth are inseminated. In same number of the day they are appear. if the same month the teeth are inseminated, in same number the day they appear. In so what, every month the teeth will appear, fall and reappear in the same year. That is the line. Yavat swavev cha maseshu tant nishchante nishichyantete means inseminated in jaw. Tavat swaah su udbhidyante means same time, same number, same days they appear. Yavat swavev cha maseshu jatasya tat udbhidyante means every month they teeth are appear, fall and reappear in the same year. So again in Dantajan, in Kumari, yeah, even in a girl, teeth are Ashutar, Alpabadhakar, Shushiratvam, Mradutvam, whereas in boy, Prakrashtkala, Badha Bahulam, Ghanatvam, Sthir Swabhavascha means if a teeth eruption in a girl, they are come early, Alpabadhakara, less trouble, Sushiratvam, porousness of teeth, and Mradutvam means softness of the gum. Whereas in boy, takes much time, causes so many trouble, compactness, and stable of gum. So Dantodbhed depends upon Jati Visheshat means racial specifications, Nishekat periods of insemination, Swabhav means nature of teeth, Mata Pitta Anukarnat intimations of parents, and Swakar Visheshat means own deeds. So here is the Dantodbhed depends on Jati Visheshat, Nishekat, Swabhav, Mata Pitta Anukarnat, and Swakar Visheshat. So here is the again I will told you before types of eruption of teeth is that Samudgam, Samudg, Samvrat, Vivrat, and Tansampat. So Samud is Shai, Samvrat is Malisht, and Vivrat is Nitya Lala Strava, and Tansampat is normal in time. Now again, Dantodbhedjanya Vikar means dentition disorder. So, dentition disorder is that Dantodbhedascha Sarva Roga Ayatanam Visheshen tu Tanmula Jwar Shirobhitap Trishna Bhram Abhishand Kukunak Pothki Vamathu Kas Shwas Atisar and Visarpa. In again, if if teeth eruption or dentition may be occur, many disorders may be occur there. They are Jwar, Shirobhitap, Trishna, Bhram, Abhishandi, Kukunak, Potki, Vamatu, Shwas, Kas, Jwar, Atisar, Visarp. Same as according to Ashtang Hridaya, they give same example is like that. Shrashti Bhange Bilanam, Barhinam cha Shikhodgame, Dantodbhedam cha Balanam, Nahi Kinchit Duyate. Means nothing is more painful than binding of the back of cats, growth of crown in the peacock, and eruption of teeth in children. So during the phase of dentition, there would be changes in metabolic activity of the child leading to some ailments. Is that pathogenesis? We can understand from that according to Ashtang Hridaya. Pathogenesis is that vitations of Vayu associate with cough. Vitation of Vayu associate with cough reaches to the Asti and Majja, then spread in whole body. Now, Vayu itself or with the help of Pith. Vitation with other dhatu and mala, so produce various diseases during dentition. Now, during dentition, child may suffer from various disorders, like I told you before in this shlokas. विशेषण टू तन्मूला, ज्वर शिरोताप, ज्वर शिरो अभिताप, तृष्णा भ्रम अभिषंद, कुकुणक पोथकी वमतु काश्वास अतिसार and visarpa. That's told in below. During dentition, child may be suffer from various disorder like fever, headache, thirst, vertigo, disease of eye like kukunak, pothaki, and vomiting, cough, respiratory troubles, diarrhea, skin disorder like visarpa. Further, he has compared whited doshas at the time of dentition with the help of cat and peacock and compared with children. At the time of dentition, all doshas and dhatus and even malas are vitiated, like vitation occur in cat after breaking of their vertebral column or during growth of feather of peacock. All the diseases which occur at the time of dentition, it is a temporary functional upset of the body and do not make the child suffer for a long period. They subside spontaneously after the dentition phases is over. Hence, the child should not be treated with heavy medicines. The disorder associated with dentition should be mild and a proper treatment is necessary for moderate and severe symptoms. So, general treatment is that यथा दोषा यथा रोगा यथोद्र एक यथा बलम विभाज्य देश कालादिस्तत्र योज्यम भिषग्जितम दंतोत भवेषु रोगेषु च बालम अति यंत्रियेत स्वयं उपशमयन्ति जात दंतस्य यद गदा. According to Ashtang Hriday Uttar Tantra Adhyay 2, means external application and internal application, two types of management we have to done. So external applications, we can use the paste of pipali churn with honey or dhataki pushpa and amalki with honey for external applications is indicated, and churn of dry meats of lava and titar birds is also indicated for external applications. And root of dugdika, shankpushpi tumbi, yava should be tied on the neck of the children. That's all our external application. And internal application, we can apply ghrat medicated with decoction of manjishta, धातकी पुष्प, लोद्र, कुटनट, बला, अतिबला, माशपर्णी, शुद्रसा means माशपर्णी, प्रश्नपर्णी, मुद्गपर्णी, बिल्वा, and fruits of karpas relieve all general complications of dentitions. And vachagrat, according to Ashtang Hriday, Samgandhi or Kumar Kalyan Grat. Saman Gandhi and Kumar Kalyan Grat is indicated during dentitions. So symptoms treated for the disease is like fever and diarrhea. So if have any symptomatic treatment of any disease like fever and diarrhea, we have to symptomatic treatment has to be given. And above mentioned external and internal medications we have to use for take care of children. So that's all about dentition and dental care. Hope you can understand and you it is very beneficial to you. Yeah, if you have any query, any doubt, you can ask me in further session. I will definitely resolve it. That's all for now. Thank you. Hope you like that session. Thank you so much.